Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming in tonight. How's everyone doing tonight? Hello, Janice. Hello, Smiley. She was here earlier. Not sure she's here now. Um, I had to move my live up because my children were starving to death. They have to eat at least 4 times a day and wanted me to cook. So, how's it going tonight? It has been hot here in Tennessee today. We are going to discuss a few things tonight. We're, to, we're going to talk about abuse on just adults, abuse on children. Hello, Miss Sharon from Australia. Wow, I'm reaching a lot of people. How you doing? Um, and abuse on autistic people, abuse on elderly. Um, then we're also going to cover a case that is in Tennessee that happened, I think it was last year. We'll have to look at the dates. Um, there was an Ellie had pulled over a suspicious car for moving in and out the lanes going down the road. And the suspect, I'm going to say allegedly because they have not done a hearing yet, uh, pew-pewed. And we'll be watching some of that video tonight too. Thank you for liking, Miss Sharon. I'm going to start on the abuse factor. Let's see. Let's do the abuse of an autistic child. We're going to pull this up. We're going to see what is considered, which is sad, but what is considered abuse of an autistic child. Let's share this. See if y'all can see this. I'm still learning. I'm going to add the stage and I'm going to scroll. Let's see. Recognizing and preventing abuse. Individuals with developmental disabilities are vulnerable to abuse compared to their peers, given how critical it is to keep our loved ones safe. Autism Speaks has gathered information from experts in the field explaining what abuse is, the signs of abuse, what to do if your loved one has been abused, or how we can take steps to reduce risk. We've also provided numbers to call for help and guidance, as well as state and national resources. Signs of physical abuse and neglect of individuals with developmental disabilities. What do physical abuse and neglect look like? Physical abuse includes, but is not limited to, shaking, beating, biting, kicking, punching, and burning, which is not accidental. While corporal punishment, such as spanking of a child, y'all listen, a child is legal in many states. Excessive corporal punishment, such as that which causes the child pain or leaves a mark on the child, is illegal and reportable in most states. Neglect refers to situations in which an individual is not provided with adequate guardianship, food, clothing, shelter, education, or medical care, whether done intentionally or unintentionally. How often does it occur? While no one knows for sure, it's estimated that children with disabilities are more likely, twice as likely, to be physically or as abused as their typical abled peers. Number 3, what are signs that my loved one might be the victim of abuse? More apparent signs may include unexplained bruises, pain, or weight loss, Additionally, behavioral changes, including avoidance of certain people or places, may indicate victimization. If my loved one is nonverbal, are there certain things I should look for? Some behavioral changes to keep an eye out for are social withdrawal, avoidance of particular places or people, behavioral outburst when presented with particular places or people, or developmental regression. If you suspect your loved one is being abused, it is always okay to seek help of a medical professional. Start with your doctor. If my loved one is a victim of abuse, what should I do? Contact law enforcement immediately. It is appropriate to call 911 to report abuse. If the abuse happens within an agency setting, contact a state regulatory agency which provides oversight to the organization. If your loved one has a service coordinator, contact him or her regarding follow-up on the report and to ensure that safeguards are immediately put in place. Keeping loved ones safe. Families can educate themselves on how to identify warning signs and how to report if abuse or neglect is suspected. Families should talk to their loved ones openly and honestly about personal safety, boundaries, saying no, and healthy and unhealthy touch. Families should give their loved ones opportunities to role play potentially dangerous situations and practice how they might respond to these. Teach individuals very concentrate in specific skills on how and who to alert for help and what to do if they suspect they are being abused. Question your loved ones. What can an individual with autism do to keep themselves safe? Individuals with autism need to be empowered to leaders and advocate for themselves in a socially appropriate way. The more individuals with autism know about abuse and red flags, the better. Individuals should be able to identify at least 2 trusted adults they can report abuse to or go for help. To report abuse, guys, contact your local child protection or law enforcement agency. State laws vary regarding who is mandatory reporter. If you need assistance with reporting or have questions about reporting abuse, contact Child Help USA's 24-hour hotline at 1-800-422-4453. And there's all those numbers right there. I will repost those underneath here in the comments. Hello, Ann Reynolds, Weston. I'm sorry I can't see chat when I am reading. We are going to go over and watch this body cam footage. There is an individual in Tennessee. This was in Blount County, and he got pulled over in Blount County, and we'll watch the body cam footage. He pew-pewed a LE, and now he's in jail. But today they thought there was conflict of interest as far as his lawyers and attorneys and all that went. So they are allowing him to have, I think, switch attorneys or representatives for him. So let's watch this body cam footage. If someone could put in the comments that this is a trigger warning. This is a major trigger warning. You will be seeing live body cam footage, if you don't mind. Let's see here. See if I can pull this up, guys. Okay, let's pull this up. I had to stop the other one and start a new one. Okay, here we go, guys. So go back and pull it up on the screen. My internet's not wanting to work good, so I'm sorry about that. Here we go. See if I can pull it up. What is the internet doing lately? Here we go. Turn the volume up. Start this over, guys. There we go. Thank you. Thank you, Sharon, for putting trigger warning in there. See if I can pull this up bigger for you guys. So the video is edited because of the graphic, but it still shows.
All right.
My internet.
Friends, now that we're out of the way there.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. My name's Shelby. I work for
Hey, Grace. Sorry, guys. It's skipping.
the Sheriff's Office. I stopped you not because you were all over the road.
I'm sorry. I didn't notice it. I just put my hair up.
Putting your hair up.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's lagging.
Have you had anything to drink or anything?
Oh. No.
Okay.
No. I'm really just leaving. No, I'm just leaving Suburban.
Okay.
Just got back from Gatlinburg Pittman.
Cool.
Just got a phone with my son. I said, son, you should have came home because he hurt his knee back the GP game.
Mm-hmm.
And I literally just got the phone with him.
Okay. Did you go to the game?
Yeah.
Okay.
We literally just got done.
Okay.
They're still there. I literally can show you. I just got the phone with my son.
I believe you.
And,
Where are you headed to tonight?
I'm on my way home.
Where you live at?
Alcoa.
Alcoa? Okay. Go for it. You care for see
This was such
driver's
a
license,
bad,
registration, proof, insurance,
bad
please?
thing.
All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't think I was swerving.
Yeah, well, you went across the line just a little bit, and I thought, well, maybe.
I just put my hair up. I'm sorry, I got hot. I just put my hair up.
I got you. Yeah,
I
you were
just want to go
all the
home,
way
get in the
completely
bed.
in the other lane.
I call my mama to say, Mama, I'm not gonna make it tonight. I gotta go get clothes. Like I'm just dealing with a lot. I promise I didn't do nothing. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry you're going through some stuff.
Oh, it's a lot going on.
Yeah.
But I literally just got the phone with my son. Just talked to the guy that's painting. Sent me a picture of some lights that he sent me.
Okay.
That I literally just got the phone with him.
Okay, good deal.
Rob paint mama's house. She just sent me this.
I got you.
And I called him back, but I'm on Bluetooth.
Okay, you're good. You have your registration insurance?
Yeah, I'm in my mama's car. I'm in her car. My truck is at her house. I'll show you what I just done so you can know what I'm doing. I ain't lying. I just left to take a video.
Yeah, I'm comfortable. Come on.
So this is a very young deputy, but she handles things
very,
yeah, I got you.
well.
This is a Suburban one. Literally just jumped in her car. Showed her video of her house. We just got done getting it painted.
Yeah,
I literally just left. I just want to go to bed.
Okay.
Is this it?
Close enough for registration. What about your insurance?
Try to call her real quick.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll let you call her. I'm gonna go check this out, and I'll come back up here and talk to you about the insurance when you figure it out. Okay. Hey, so car smells like weed, and he was in the opposite lane on Seville Road. pretty sure I got a DUI, but I think it's weed. I don't think it's alcohol.
Okay, I'm on my way, G.
All right, thanks, brother. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
See you.
See you.
3:35.
So, guys, I'm going to pause it. The guy that she just radioed is her partner, McCowan. Okay. And he actually was her backup. And he's the one that he got pew-pewed that night. And yes, he passed and he had a family. I've been talking so much about Ellie, and sometimes Ellie can, not do such a good job, but then you have ones that are actually out there and trying to protect and do their job, and it's sad that they can't without what they face sometimes. We're going to push play.
Hey, did you figure that paperwork out, brother?
Yeah, she said it's paid. She's on the phone.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead, tell her, Mama.
You got the card there?
I got a bunch of them,
A
but
bunch of them?
they're all formers.
Okay, I got you.
You said, go ahead, Mama. She's right here.
Hey, my name's Shelby. I work for the Blount County Sheriff's Office.
But I got them all. They're all
But yeah,
got
just old
different
ones.
dates.
Okay. Well, I'll just look through them, see if any of them are valid.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this half with you. I'll take this half.
I just forgot, I guess, to put my card.
So he's on the phone with his grandmother, which is the car that he's driving right now.
The paper they gave us to put in there.
Yeah, that's okay. I understand it happens.
But as long as you run a tag, it should show up, right?
It doesn't come.
I'm going to have to stay out of chat, guys.
Tag. A lot of times it will come back with tag. It didn't come back with tag. It's the only reason I'm asking you for it.
It's
As you can tell,
There's that half.
very
There's
nice.
the ones.
What'd you say, Mama?
What didn't come back?
The insurance. It's okay. I don't know. I just put my hair up, and she said I swear, so I'm sorry.
Here you go. Let's see this. See what we can figure out.
She said you probably tired. I'm tired, but running for her these dang kids.
Yeah. How many did you got, bro?
5.
5.
Yeah.
That's too many.
And I just let my 15-year-old game. He won't understand watch the varsity.
Yeah.
Went
And he
on.
had therapy in the morning. I just
Okay.
had surgery on my knee.
Oh goodness. Well, that's not good.
I just literally just called them out to tell her that
Yeah,
I'm not gonna be able to bring her clothes tonight. I bring them in the morning.
I got you.
I don't know. I guess
Oh, God.
just hand her all this stuff.
That's okay. I'm not too worried about it.
Hang on, guys. Sorry, StreamYard's being crazy. What just happened? Hang on, I'm going to go back. Start it again. Start it again. Not all over, but I will start it where it's. Sorry, guys. Gosh. StreamYard and my internet or something that's going. Can y'all see that? Anything showing, guys? No sound. Okay. Gosh, man. Okay. That should
Don't do me like
help.
that.
Hello, Stephanie. Smiley. Can you hear it now? It's Bears.
She's trying to say she smells weed, man. I'm like, you know I don't smoke weed. No, nobody I know smoke weed.
Okay. I didn't accuse you of smoking weed.
Got my kids' backpacks and food. We literally just went.
Okay. Okay.
Exactly. It's in the leather.
Okay.
It's never been smoked. in
Like this just
Hey, they got nothing like that. They got nothing to do with that,
Good.
brother.
I'm sorry, guys.
I guarantee you run a dog right here. I don't know if the dog get on this car.
Okay.
So I'm gonna sit right here.
Our
and
dogs
let
don't-
you run the dog.
Our dogs don't hit on weed, and there's not a dog coming out here. It's me and my partner.
Well, I'm not. I'm refusing this.
No, there's no refusing. So when I smell the odor of marijuana, I have probable cause to search the vehicle.
I need you to get a
So
dog,
there's-
ma'am. I'm refusing.
There's no refusing.
There's no weed. Go get your partner and tell him to come over and sniff.
Okay. My partner is not a dog. My partner's a person.
Okay,
That's
let
on the
your
way.
partner come sniff. I'm
Okay,
refusing to search.
That's fine. You can't refuse a search
Why can't I refuse that?
because I've got probable cause to search the vehicle because of the smell.
They trying to be messy for no reason.
I'm not trying to be messy with you, brother. I'm trying to make this easy. Okay.
I'm just refusing to search. I love you, ma'am.
Listen,
Yes, ma'am.
what's going on?
I don't know why they're doing this, ma'am. I just trying to go home. I literally just left your house. I literally just took a video so I could show you everything that everybody did with the paint and everything in the toilets, and they just pulled me over for no reason. They see my fucking hair put up. I'm black with dreads, and they pulling this mess for no reason.
It ain't got nothing to do with
It
that, brother.
does, 'cause
I couldn't see
on
when
my
I pulled
kids'
you
life,
over.
Nobody smokes weed. I don't smoke weed.
Okay,
I've never
Kenny.
been around weed.
Okay.
That's
I didn't say
bogus.
you did. I didn't say
I
that
love
you
you,
smoke
Mama.
weed. I said it smells like weed in here.
Well,
I didn't
go
say you
get a
did it.
dog. I love you,
Okay.
Mama.
Go ahead and step out
My
for me, Kenny.
opinion,
Kenny.
she's very,
I'm
very
refusing to search.
patient.
Okay, you're refusing to step out of the vehicle?
I'm refusing to search. Ma'am.
Okay,
I
so
don't
step out of the
smoke
vehicle.
marijuana.
Step out of the vehicle.
Oh,
Come back
ma'am.
here and stand with me.
I'm not.
335. I got one refusing to get out of the car.
I need
Just
you to get a
step out.
dog. Just get a dog.
I don't have a dog
Please
to get.
a dog,
Okay.
ma'am.
And if I had a dog,
Yes, Grace, we're going to go to that trial. If I can get a babysitter, we're going.
it doesn't hit on weed.
I
I'm
don't
telling you.
smoke weed.
Okay, I didn't say you did, brother.
Okay, you're not.
I said
searching
it
my
smells
car
like
for
weed
no
in your car.
reason.
I have
No.
probable cause
No,
to search
you
your
do
car.
not.
Kenny, step out for
I'm
me.
not.
Step out for me, Kenny.
Bullshit. No, I'm not. Baby,
Yeah.
the police got me pulled over. They threatened me to get out the car. I'm not getting out the car.
Kenny,
They
just
try-
get out the
I'm
car,
not,
man. I'm
ma'am.
not trying to make
I'm
this
not.
difficult.
You are making it difficult.
I'm not
You're
making it
being
difficult.
racist.
I'm not
Go
being
get your
racist. I'm
dog,
asking you.
ma'am.
I don't
Baby,
have a dog,
Tell
sir.
these folks I don't smoke weed.
He don't smoke weed.
Okay,
I've never
I didn't
been
say you
around
smoked weed.
I don't smoke weed.
I never,
Nobody's got
Kenny, I
no
never
weed.
accused you of
No,
smoking
you
weed.
are. You saying I got to get out this car? I'm not. I'm
Yeah.
refusing it.
Yeah, I am saying you
I'm
have to get out of the
refusing
car.
Search. I'm refusing it.
You can't refuse to search. I have probable cause to search the
You gotta
vehicle.
have a dog. You can't just
No.
say you smell weed.
Yeah, that's how the law works, Kenny.
No, it don't.
That's
I'm
how the law
refusing
works,
it.
brother.
Where are you?
I'm down here on Seville Road, baby. Like, this is not right, man. I'm literally not doing nothing wrong.
You were on the wrong side of the road, brother.
Home, baby.
You're on the wrong side of the
No.
road. That's why I stopped you.
Literally, I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Kenny, man, I just said you get out of the car,
I'm
brother.
not getting out. I'm not getting out the car.
All you have to do is step out and say, I don't have a dog to get, brother.
You could have just gave me a ticket and said, get on. I don't smoke weed.
I don't have a dog to get here, okay? Dog to search your
And
car.
here comes
I do
another.
not have a dog. I can't
I'm
help you there,
refusing.
sir. You know, I'd like to have a dog.
Baby,
I don't have a
just come
dog.
down here, baby.
I'm coming.
Hey, Stephanie Williams.
I'm on Seville Road, baby. Just come down Seville Road like
Yes,
10
Molly,
minutes.
that is backup. Officer,
I just need you to step out of the car, Kenny.
I'm refusing
He's
to
the
search,
one
man.
Okay,
I do
so-
not smoke
So
marijuana.
here's what's going to happen if you don't step out of the
That's
car.
it.
We're going to have to drag you out of the car, and then you're going to go to jail.
I don't smoke
Uncalled for.
So you can either step out of the car, or I can pull you out of the car.
Step out the car. No, sir.
You will get out of the car.
Hey, y'all treat me as racism, man.
This racism. I don't care what color you are, dude. She gave you a lawful command.
I don't smoke marijuana. She said
She
it
asked
smells
you.
like
She
weed.
she asked you to get out of the car.
Get out of the car, bro.
Y'all said it smelled like weed. I need you to get a dog, please.
No, we don't
I'm
have to
asking
have
you
a
to
dog.
get
It
a dog.
smells
There
like
has
weed,
been
brother.
no
Get out of the
He
car.
also
marijuana in
sings
this
Okay.
car.
I'm gonna tell you one more time. Kenny. Get out of the car.
I can't now.
Gospel
You
I'm
can't?
recording this.
Okay,
Very
you
good
can.
telling you
lady.
right now.
That's fine. I'm recording too. I've recorded this whole interaction. Go ahead and get
But
out
I'm
of the car.
not doing nothing wrong.
You were on the wrong side of the road, Kenny.
I was not on the wrong side of
You
the
were driving on
road.
the side of the road, brother.
I'm not out of the road.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm
Hey,
not. No.
You're about
Rockstar.
to go to jail for refusing.
No, you can't do that. You
You're about to
can't
go.
do that. You can't do this, man. You can't do this. Get your hands off of me,
Change
man.
him.
Please. Please get
She's
your
trying to
hands
get
off of
him
me.
out of the
Please.
car. She saw
Please.
Get out of the car.
I'm asking
Get your ass out of the car.
Get out of the car.
with
Now.
the
I'm not doing
taser.
nothing wrong.
Out of the car.
Now.
Please, I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the car.
Please, can I answer my
No.
phone?
No. Get out of the
Please.
car.
Now.
Out of the car.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the
Why
car.
are y'all doing this to me, man? Why are you doing this to me?
Get out of the car, man.
We got one taser point.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the car, Kenny.
This is not my car. I'm not doing nothing
I didn't say it was your car. Get out of the car, Kenny. Go ahead, hit him. Out of the car.
For, man.
Get out of the car.
What you asking for?
Taser deployed. Out of the car.
Trigger warning, guys. Right now.
Nothing.
Get out.
I didn't
Trigger
do nothing.
warning.
Get that seatbelt on him. Go get
Please
the
don't
seatbelt.
do this to me.
You're about to get
Please.
it again.
Please. Please.
You're about to get it again.
Stop. Let me talk to my man. Oh my God.
Get him out.
I just got tased.
You're getting it again. Oh, shit.
Told you, motherfucker.
335 shots fired. I'm hit. 334's hit. Ah! Leg! Ah! Ah! Help! Help! I've been shot! I've been shot! 330, 335. Three was down. I've been hit. Suspect fled. Back towards town on Spear Road. I've been shot. I need your help. Yes, get out. I need your help.
And guys, all that could have just been avoided, you know, just by getting out of the car. Yes, now he gets a new trial. But this happened not real far away. I mean, a few towns over from us. And it was bad. You can't trust people. Can you imagine what Ellie really goes through day-to-day basis? They don't know if they're, you know, going to go home to their families or not. And I wanted to show you, you know, how patient she was and everything. It's really sad, but I'm going to play this right here also. Let's see. My StreamYard's jumping around everywhere tonight. And I know I'm everywhere tonight, but I wanted to show you guys this. And in my opinion, I don't believe He deserves this whatsoever. I mean, it's clearly on video of what happened. Let's see. Yep, right here. I don't understand why he gets. It's not about tarot card reading. Hang on. Let me pull it up, guys. This is just taking forever. Let's see here. Scroll down. Judge grants Kenneth DeHart new preliminary hearing. Let's see if I can pull this up right here.
Public defenders made mistakes back in February of 2024. In that list of supposed missteps was not working to have some evidence suppressed that DeHart believes was obtained unconstitutionally. And today, a judge writing that the General Sessions Court judge improperly denied DeHart his right to the legal counsel of his choice.
DeHart is accused of fatally shooting Deputy Greg McCowan and wounding Deputy Shelby Eggers while driving off from a traffic stop. DeHart was arrested in East Knoxville after a 5-day manhunt. State prosecutors plan to seek the death penalty. He is pleading not guilty to all charges. The court has ordered parties to immediately contact General Sessions Court for a date for that new preliminary hearing. Our legal analyst, Greg Isaacs, will be weighing in on this case.
So, he's wanting a new hearing, and it looks like he was granted one, and he's pleading not guilty as of right now. That is just insane to me. That is insane. Okay. Follow up also on, yes, Greg Isaacs. Grace. Yeah. We know him. Anyways, I want to follow up on Sebastian Lane Drake Rogers also. There's not been any new news, but it looks like from looking across the internet a little bit, it's not in YouTube, we may be making an impact, guys. We need to keep signing that petition. Get your friends and family involved to sign the petition. You know, Smiley says he will because they will make sure when he goes down, he can't say he didn't get fair treatment. Yeah, I mean, that's insane. She was more than patient with him, and she was very young. She was in her 20s. Yes, Miss Sharon, thank you for signing that. We need to continue signing the petition. It is on one of my posts on my walls. I will share that again. But we can make a difference with Sebastian, I do believe, guys. I was kind of going over the Sumner County Sheriff's thing, and I had some pulled up, but my daggum StreamYard went crazy. And there's been a lot of different crimes in Sumner County the past 2 or 3 days. They've been catching people. You know, we need to look for Sebastian also. Thank you, Anne, for signing that. And anyways, I found this. I'm going to pull this up. I don't know what's going on with StreamYard, Smiley. It's about on my nerves. But let's see here. This is from, I think, a couple years ago. Make sure y'all can see this. I'm going to pause it until, I don't know if it's going to play a video or what. Looks like it's going to play a video. So many steps in this, guys, that we have to do. Let's see if I can pull this up. Add to stage. It's moving very, very slow tonight. Anyways, it says, I'm going to read this. found it interesting. And this is probably before the new sheriff took town, I think it was. Gallatin, Tennessee. Oh, this was written by Nick Barris. See, I didn't even know who it was written by. Major Don Lindsay with the Sumner County Sheriff's Department has resigned. This was in 2015. That's after he was placed on unpaid administrative leave amid allegations of misconduct. The investigation alleged that he took rugs from an evidence storage locker. News 5 has learned that Major Don Lindsay is now the focus of a TBI investigation. Sheriff Sonny Weatherford, bless his soul, has confirmed that Lindsay is on unpaid administrative leave. The TBI opened an investigation into alleged misconduct at the request of Sheriff Weatherford and District Attorney Ray Whitley. Sources tell News Channel 5 the investigation stems from allegations that Lindsay tampered with evidence in closed rug cases. The investigation is said to include surveillance video of this occurrence at the evidence locker. Lindsay is expected to testify in several pending cases. It's unclear how this situation will affect his involvement. No charges have been filed as of yet. This is a case that has rocked the sheriff's office. Trained by the FBI, Lindsay is a decorated officer and has been recognized for his work on animal cruelty cases. Over the years, he has also worked undercover narc. He was later promoted to chief to detectives with the Sumner County Sheriff's Office. That means he now supervises all criminal investigations. I thought that was interesting. That was from 2015. Just a little something there that I found, and there was other things. But, yeah, that was surprising. But I'm going to get off here, guys. If you see Sebastian Wayne Drake Rogers, he has sandy blonde hair, brown eyes. He may or may not have a mustache. When he went missing, he was 15, now 16. He was 120 pounds, 5'5", and he was wearing black sweatpants, black sweatshirt or a black shirt, and black framed glasses in the Hendersonville area. If you see him, call 911, yell out Sebastian. Another thing, guys, I would love for, and I have a post on my YouTube channel. I have a post that if you have been a victim of abuse or abuse through a foster care system or abuse through a agency that you were in a school or something, trafficking, anything like that. Everything will be anonymous. We will not say the facility. We will not call out your name. Please check my email, KikiTrueCrime77@gmail.com, please. And email me your survivor stories. And I will read them aloud for you if you like. If not, I won't. But I think it would help people that may be going through the same thing you are or may have, to see that they can actually overcome what they've been through. Thank you so much, guys. You all have a good night, and God bless.